Is it raining?
Hey, you.
Oh, it just stopped.
What happened?
Are you swimming?
Are you swimming like a
You
big
can
girl?
see it. It's so clear.
Whoa!
Stuff floats now.
Right.
It is. How'd you do that? Oh, I just picked it from the dollar store. Even the soap. Oh my God.
Yay!
Look what Dave has a picture. I know.
Are you cold, Teddy?
She's like, once in my life I'm not hot.
What an experience. A little 3-month-old out in the rain. I ain't too well. They're going to go, they're just, the mother and dad.
Yeah, are you kicking your feet? Are you kicking your feet?
Yeah, kick him, kick him. Look at that, Eddie. I mean, take her head off. Oh, no hair. Woo! Oh. Yeah! Wow! Go chicken!
Christian, when you were watching, were people come in and try to get the spot while you were here?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
There was only 2 though.
Teddy?
I remember this.
Right, you can see our beach right there. Between those 2 rocks.
Now it's getting kind of heavier. Are you feeling that? Are you feeling that?
Do you want your hat on again? Is that where that cove was?
Yeah.
Before we climbed up at night.
Teddy! Here, fix her hat so it's on her eyes.
Yeah!
Come here, Teddy. Come here. I want to see your face. Teddy, look here. Look here. Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Yeah!
Yes. What do you have to say? Are you having fun, Hattie?
Yeah!
Yeah? What is going on? Why is it all rainy like this? What's happening? What's happening? Are you kicking your feet?
They are.
It's raining. We should probably bring you in. Uh-oh, it's getting in your eyes. It's getting in your eyes. Here, Christy, we should probably bring her in now.
She's okay. Wait till she gets bad.
Turn her away from the... Turn her away.
John Jurgen used to do. John Jurgen would get the tops of the trees and the stores.
Oh! Okay, Christine, bring her in. Christine, bring her in.
What's she doing?
Okay, Christine. Bring her in. Okay, Mommy. All done. All done, Hattie. You want to come out? You really?
Oh, cool.
Whoa, it's pouring.